Attorneys for death row inmate Darrell Hines is asking Governor Bill Lee to hold off on his execution. This is scheduled for August 13th, and Hines' attorneys sent a petition with 3 reasons for denying it. The first being the state's recent failed attempt on inmate Tony Carruthers. And the attorneys also referenced Hines' medical condition and what they are calling a corrupt investigation that led to his conviction. Multiple Tennessee lawmakers, including 9 Republicans, have called on Governor Bill Lee to pause all executions. They're also asking him to open up investigation into some of our state protocols. Now, Darrell Hines was convicted in the 1985 stabbing of a Kingston Springs motel maid named Catherine Jenkins. We'll let you know if and when the governor responds.